Hello friends, subscribe Tricknology and press the bell icon to never miss the updates.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Tricknology, and today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to create undeletable files or folders in your Windows 10 computer. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, I have already created one folder and one file on my computer. As you can see, it's opening properly. So you have to right click on your folder and have to go to the properties, and after that go to the security, and here you click on edit. After that click on add and type over there everyone, and now click on check names. After that click on OK. Now have to check this first option, which is full control, deny, and after that click on apply, then click on yes and then OK. After that try to open this folder. As you can see, you don't currently have permission to access this folder, so folder is not opening. In your file you have to go to the same location, go to the properties, then security, then edit, then add, then type over there everyone, and after that click on check names and OK, then deny and apply, then OK, and try to open these docs. As you can see, the doc files is not opening. So through this way you can make your undeletable folder of files. So if you want to unblock this, then you have to go to the same way, security, and just select the everyone and remove from your security. After that you can able to open your docs file. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.